You killed someone, but you honestly thought he was a robber, guilty or not. Under Philippine law, an honest mistake might just save you. Mistake of fact can negate dolo, meaning it can erase your criminal liability entirely. But three requisites must be present. 1. The act would have been lawful had the facts been as you believed them to be. 2. The mistake was not due to negligence. 3. The mistake was not accompanied with criminal intent. Kung totoo yung akala mo, tama lang yung ginawa mo, at hindi ka pabaya, then hindi ka liable. Mistake of fact can work with self-defense, defense of property, performance of duty, and even irresistible force. It can also negate specific elements, like in theft. If you honestly believe the property is yours, there's no intent to gain and no theft. US versus Achong, the classic. The accused honestly believed a robber was forcing his door open. He shouted a warning, then stabbed. Turns out it was his roommate. The Supreme Court acquitted him. The act would have been lawful self-defense had the facts been as he believed. Hindi pabaya. Hindi may masamang intention. But in Yapyuku versus Sandigan Bayan, 2012, police shot a vehicle they suspected had rebels. The occupants were unarmed civilians. Guilty because they didn't verify first. Pabaya sila. Mistake of fact doesn't apply when there's negligence. Honest mistake plus no negligence plus no criminal intent equals complete defense. But be careless, hindi ka maliligtas. That's part 3. Next, motive versus criminal intent and why the difference matters. Subscribe, like, and share for law's sake.